Hey everyone, it's Karina from saltwaterfix.com. Today's tip is all about 3 items that are often overlooked that you will definitely want to pack with you on your next day trip or boat trip in order to make your life a lot easier. So my top 3 overlooked items, the ones that aren't necessarily necessary, but have always made my life so much easier when I pack them, are first and foremost, your reusable water bottle. So much better than a plastic bottle. I like one that's stainless steel and insulated so that my water stays hot when I need hot water and it stays cold when I need cold water. So the second item, and one of the reasons that I decided to make this item for my company, Saltwater Fix, is because it was one that worked so well every time I traveled. So I added dry bags to the mix in 2 different sizes. So the 5-liter dry bag, which you can get online at saltwaterfix.com, or you can also go on Amazon, they'll have them as well. Great bag to throw keys, wallet, phone, shorts, flip-flops, whatever it is that you want to keep dry. And then what I do with my 5-liter bag is I place it inside the bigger 20-liter bag, which holds my wetsuit, towel, leash, all my surf stuff. So especially on a day trip when you are out and about for a while, it's really nice to be able to keep all of your wet stuff and dry separate from everything else, and in order if you're, driving somewhere to keep the car clean, it helps a lot too. And so the third item that I would highly suggest bringing, and that is often overlooked, is a quick dry towel versus like a normal beach towel. They can fold up really, really small, fit into your bag, and they dry quickly, which is super nice. So those 3 items I'd highly recommend. They're often overlooked, but they will definitely make your life easier. So that's it for now, and I will see you out in the water.